Thanks for tuning in to Nisha B's World. I'm Nisha B and welcome to my world. Today I'm going to demonstrate another easy breezy cooking recipe. Today's recipe is meatball subs with lots of cheese. You know your girl loves cheese, really I do. Alright, so this is a good recipe for lunchtime, snack time, for your kids, and even for you. So stay tuned when I come back and demonstrate how I, Nisha B, make this simple, easy, breezy recipe. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel, Nisha B's World, and I'll be right back. Alright, and welcome back. Alright, so again, we're making an easy, breezy meatball sub. So all you need is 4 ingredients to make this easy breezy meatball sub. So first I have this pasta sauce. I chose ragu, mushroom and green peppers, and I have already cooked home style meatballs, and I have my buns and mozzarella cheese, and of course I have the canola spray to spray my pan. And I'll be right back. Alright, next up is for me to take the meatballs out of the skillet and place it into the pot with the sauce that's already heating up in it. Alright, okay, so that's the next step. Alright, welcome back. Okay, so the next step, as you see here, I kind of already started, but I spray the pan, and then I take a bun. They was all out of the buns that I usually would use, so I have the ones where it opens at the top. I like the ones that's open on the side, but it's all good. Alright, so just simply take the bun, open it up, put your cheese. I'm using mozzarella cheese. And then take a scoop of your meatballs with the sauce that's included and just pour it on top. Since these are smaller than what I usually get, I'm just going to use 3 meatballs. Press it down like so. Add some more sauce. And of course, as you know, your girl loves cheese, so I'm going to put some more cheese on it. Just like so. Put a little more. Alright. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is continue the process. I'm making a total of 4. And I have fries that's cooking right now. Add that to this meal, this simple meal for my kids. And I might eat one. I don't know. But anywho, but it's very simple. Alright, so I'll be back. I'm going to put it in the oven for about 5 minutes, maybe at 350. We shall see. And when I come back, I'll show you the end results. And again, it's easy breezy. Be back. All right, let's see the result. Ooh, wait, this looks so good. I'm only gonna eat one, probably 1.5. No, I'm just gonna eat one. Just kidding. But anywho, this is the result. It turned out very good. Can't wait to eat one of them. It has a lot of cheese on it, especially this one. That's the one I'm going to choose. Alright, so I did leave it in for 5 minutes at 350 degrees. So thanks for tuning in to Nisha B's World. You stay safe, be blessed, smooches.